In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in Adobe After Effects. Whether you're new to After Effects or looking to streamline your workflow, this process is essential for managing complex compositions more efficiently. Let's get started by launching Adobe After Effects and opening the project you're working on. If you don't have a project open yet, simply navigate to File, then Open Project, and select the file you'd like to work on. Once your project is open, you'll want to go to the composition containing the layers you intend to merge. Now that you have your composition open, direct your attention to the Timeline panel. This is where all your layers are listed. To begin the merging process, you need to select the specific layers you'd like to combine. You can click directly on each layer while holding down the Control key or Command if you're on a Mac to select multiple layers. Once you've selected the necessary layers, it's time to initiate the pre-composing process. With your layers selected, right-click on any of the highlighted layers. A context menu will appear, and from here, you should select Pre-compose. Pre-composing is a powerful tool in After Effects that essentially lets you group layers into a new subcomposition, helping keep your timeline neat and organized. When the pre-composed dialog box appears, you'll notice two options. Here, you should select Move All Attributes into the new composition. This option ensures that all the effects, keyframes, and other properties associated with these layers are transferred to the new composition. This is important because it allows the new composition to behave exactly like your original layers. It's especially handy for minimizing clutter without losing any of the adjustments you've painstakingly applied. After making sure that Move All Attributes into the new composition is selected, go ahead and click OK. And just like that, your selected layers have now been merged into a single new composition within the original project timeline. You'll notice this newly created composition in your layer stack replacing the individual layers you started with. While merging, always remember this method is reversible. You can double-click on the new composition anytime you need to access or modify the original layers. In fact, pre-composing layers is a best practice in After Effects to help maintain an organized workflow, especially in larger projects with numerous elements. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to merge layers by pre-composing in Adobe After Effects. By mastering this technique, you'll make your projects easier to manage and execute changes more fluidly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you bring your creative visions to life with greater ease.